Still looking for size for your franchise store or company but can't find a good size supplier? Don't worry, we are coming. Make your size stand out, make your brand shine like a star. What's up, homie? This is Macy. Today, let me tell you how to support you in expanding your business. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel to get the latest news about LCSIGN. Let's go. On experience, we have focused on sign manufacturing for 15 years. Nearly 300 workers with a factory area of 12,000 square meters. Exporting to over 100 countries, our customers are all over the world. Signs will be produced monthly with CE, UL, ISO certificates provided. On customer service, we have a professional sales team. They are all undergo systematic training and will be provide the best service for every customer. During the production, they will communicate with the factory about the situation and update it to the clients. If you have any problems after receiving the goods, the staff will help you solve and give you appropriate solution. Also, we have a team that will develop and launch some new products to the market each month to help our customers gain a large market share. Under continuous efforts, now we have accumulated various successful cases. I believe you can find the one you like. No matter when, I pursue quality first. So if you are looking for some size that can help your business or a reliable size supplier, don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit the like button and comment below. Life isn't perfect, but our size can be. See you next time.